What's up? My name is SizweNje and welcome back to the SizweNje vlog channel. If you've subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't subscribed, please do join the family. Other than that, you know what, I just thought, let me just do a little rendition about a polo that I actually did some pinstriping / wrapping on, just to give it a different look, make it look a lot more aggressive and a lot more cleaner. And my keyword, simple. Let's turn this simple GTI into looking similar to a Club Sport Golf GTI. Let's go!